Hello everyone, it's Miyako. Welcome back to my channel.
Today, I'm gonna make a Ikinari Dango. Let's get started.
The meaning of Ikinari is easy and as it is. Kumamoto Prefecture is famous for sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contain dietary fiber and yellowing, so relieve constipation. Good sweet potatoes are glossy and heavy and thin at both ends. Next page, we'll take turns. Kinako-chan.
Hi everyone. For now, I, Kinako, show you how to make Ikinari Dango. Please look at these ingredients and directions. First of all, boil the steamer. Measure the ingredients and sieve the flour in the vat. Cut the sweet potato in 1 cm round slices and cut out the edge, and then soak it in water. Mix the flour, the rice flour, and the salt by using chopsticks. Pour water into it little by little and mix it. When it becomes kind of the dough, put it together by using a hand. Make the dough become as soft as an envelope. Cut it into quarters and line them up. Put the 20-gram sweet red bean paste on the sweet potato. Rub them with the dough and shape up the surface of it. Spread the dough on your hand. Cover the sweet red bean paste and the sweet potato. And stretch the dough little by little. Make it for good shape and it became dango. Put the parchment paper under the dango. Dip your fingers into water and put sesame on the dango. Line them in the steamer. Steam it on medium heat for 40 minutes. When the bamboo skewer stuck easily, it's done. You can keep it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days, also you can freeze it. Microwave it for 1 or 2 minutes before you eat. That's all. Thank you for watching.